We'll guide you through how to delete a Facebook page. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook. So for whatever reason you want to go and delete your Facebook page, perhaps the business that it was for is no longer operating, or perhaps you're just no longer running the page. And so therefore you want to go and delete it. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this. Just remember it is permanent, so make sure you're sure. During the guide, we'll go and choose some alternatives to deleting it, but ultimately it will be permanently deleted. So do consider that. But if you're sure, let's go and get started with this. So what we need to do is go and switch to the page you want to do this with. So what you can do is you can go and press the profile button in the bottom right. In some cases, it'll be the top right. Previously, this would have brought you straight to the menu page, but now you need to press the three lines in the top left. At the top, you'll go and see your account and press the arrow to the right. And you'll see a list of the different pages here. So what you can do is go and switch to the page you want to go and delete. So I've now gone and switched, as you can see. Now what we need to do is you need to go and press on the page icon in the bottom right or top right, the page or profile icon, and be brought here. And then what you need to do is press the three lines in the top left to get brought here. Now we need to go and head to the settings. So scroll down, find the option settings and privacy and tap there and press settings. In here, you then need to go and scroll all the way down until you get to your information. And in here, you can find the option access and control. And then what you can do is you can go and deactivate it or unpublish it. They're temporary options. But if you're sure you want to delete it, select delete page and press continue. Then you can go and see if they can go and help you, but they can't in my case. Before you delete it, you can save posts in your archive and download the info if you want. Press continue, then you can enter your password. If you're sure, you can then go and press delete page and it'll be deleted.